Gaming is more than just fun, it's a digital playground where kids explore, compete, and connect. But with great power comes great responsibility. As parents, how can we ensure our children are safe in these virtual worlds? Welcome to our guide on online gaming safety. This guide will walk you through essential parental controls across popular gaming platforms, helping you create a secure gaming environment for your family. This guide lists the most important safety and privacy settings for the most popular gaming platforms used by teens, along with links to support pages describing how to implement these settings. The table is divided into 3 sections: policies enforced by the technology company, parental account options which a parent can enforce, and minor account settings, which a child can use. Where an option is available, there is a Learn How link to a documentation page with instructions on how to use the safety setting. For more information, visit our website.